When the FaceTime icon appears grayed out for a contact on your iPhone, it can prevent you from making video or audio calls with them. This issue often occurs due to incorrect contact settings, FaceTime compatibility problems, or network issues. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue to get FaceTime working for your contacts. Let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh FaceTime in Settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down and tap FaceTime. Toggle FaceTime off. Wait for about 10 seconds, then toggle it back on. Check if the FaceTime icon is now active for your contact. Solution 2. Delete and re-add contact with updated information. Open the Contacts app. Locate and select the contact with the FaceTime issue. Tap Edit in the top right corner. Then select down and select Delete Contact. Once deleted, re-add the contact with the correct phone number or email address. Make sure to add valid phone number of email, what has actually been activated with FaceTime. After that, check if the FaceTime icon is now active for the contact. Solution 4. Reset all settings. If the above steps haven't worked, resetting all settings may resolve any configuration issues affecting FaceTime. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. This will not delete your data but will reset Wi-Fi passwords and some settings. Once completed, try FaceTime again to see if the icon is active for your contact. Note, if the contact is using an Android device, FaceTime will not be available for them, as FaceTime only works with Apple devices. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of the FaceTime icon being grayed out for a contact on your iPhone. If this guide helps, keep it handy for future reference.